All right, so I've never cooked raw peanuts before. So I'm going to try to make some honey roasted peanuts using the air fryer. So I thought roasting these peanuts would be a very straightforward process. I watched a couple videos, looked up a couple instructions online. A majority of them say cook them for about 350 in a regular oven, maybe 45 minutes to an hour in an air fryer for about 20 minutes. Every time I cooked them at 350, I would get a mix of some burnt, some were perfect, and some were undercooked. I tried maybe 5 or 6 different ways, different temperatures, different settings, and the best temperature and time setting that I can come across with is 325 for 35 minutes. So that's how I'm going to cook these. 325 for 35 minutes. All right, batch number 2, batch number 3. All right, 4th batch. You can hear them kind of popping inside. I think it's all the oils inside the peanuts. It's kind of frying them inside.
I got my kids to help me shell the peanuts.
You guys want to do this again?
No.
Was this fun?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
So out of that whole batch, these were slightly undercooked. These were overcooked. And these seem fine. There's probably a few that's overcooked in here, like this one. So this was cooked at 325 for 30 minutes. Or was it 35 minutes? I can't even remember.
I mix 3 tablespoons of honey and butter together and I melt the butter beforehand. I cook these again at 300 degrees for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I mix it up a bit and then cooked it again for another 5 minutes. I was going to let these cool for about 15 minutes, and while I'm waiting, I decided to go out with my new toy. So after I came back from my extended ride, the peanuts were done and they were no longer sticky to the touch. I did sprinkle a little bit of salt and sugar just to give it a little bit extra flavor.